Good afternoon and happy Thanksgiving to all. Today just want to show you that I received a huge, well not huge, a shipment from several auto part stores, and I just want to show you what I got because it's like a Christmas, early Christmas gift. Ready, set, go. So I got parts from Flying Spares. I got parts from Rock Auto. I got some antifreeze for that guy. So a lot of parts from Rock Auto and some from Flying Spares. So let's see what is in it. Help me with that. Well, I need a blade to open it. Wow, that's great. Box inside of a box. Okay, we got spark plugs for the rolls. We got paper to make a bonfire, maybe. We got an fuel filter, and we have a brake fluid for the rolls. Looks amazing. And what we got on this little box right here, oh, it looks like a air filter. Sorry. Brand new air filter for my Silver Shadow. I guess that's all we got on this box. Let's see what we got on. All this is for the rolls. I don't know what's the difference on antifreeze. Maybe just the price. It's just a joke. I don't know. Okay, so from Rock Auto we got some boxes inside of a boxes. Ugh. And coming from Powerstop Evolution. Oh, and these are the drums for the Jeep. Ugh. Let me just put them over here. They're expensive. Not expensive, heavy. Oh, I guess this box open already. So got one open. I don't know if you guys ever hear from Powerstop, but I got it from them. And I got everything. The brake shoes. The entire kit. It's awesome. So that's all on this box. Let's look at the third box and see what we got in this one. Okay, on the second one we have brake pads from Powerstop. Rock Auto. And that's for the Jeep. And I believe these are the rotors for the Jeep. Let's open this box. As you can see, it's the rotors for the Jeep. And oops, that's all in the box. Now let's see on this little one. Oh, my blade broke. Oopsie. Well, on this one we have a oil filter and that's it. Oil filter for the rolls as well, to do some tune up to this guy, and I still need to receive a few more items, but that's it for the moment. So happy holidays and enjoy your winter fest, winter weather. We're definitely enjoying over here in Northwest Indiana. Have a great time. Bye bye.